programming tayo. Manual pull sa fire alarm. Ayan po. Pull down. Siemens. So, ganito lang yan. Sukin muna natin. Test. Photo. Para malaman yung address. Yung address niya is 001. Set natin. Gagawin natin yung 117. Program. Address 000117. Program. Okay. Program. Okay. Exit. Test. Kung 117 ba talaga. Auto. Address 117. So, ganun lang. Set natin yan. So, ito yung 117. Ito yung 116. Yung kasama ko may ginagawa rin. Iba. If you're not watching me, and inviting you to follow, like, and share. Leave a comment down below. Share your thoughts. I love you all, guys. Babush.